Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is a compact and lightweight option, weighing under 249 grams, making it easy to transport. It features a 4K ICE camera for stable and high-quality aerial photography and supports up to 62 minutes of flight time. The drone offers 4K FPV transmission, allowing for long-range video streaming. Equipped with brushless motors, it achieves speeds of up to 16 meters per second and includes GPS-assisted features like auto return to home for safety. Its foldable design is ideal for both beginners and experienced users, providing convenience without compromising on performance. DJI Mini 2 SE is an ultra-lightweight drone, weighing under 249 grams, making it exceptionally portable and easy to fly for beginners. It boasts a QHD camera capable of capturing stunning 12 megapixels photos and smooth video at 2.7K resolution. With a maximum video transmission range of 10 kilometers and a flight time of up to 31 minutes, it ensures you can explore vast areas without frequent battery changes. The 3-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization (ICE) delivers stable, high-quality footage. Additionally, features like auto return to home enhance safety and ease of use for novice pilots. Holystone HS175D GPS drone features a 4K camera, perfect for capturing high-resolution photos and videos. It includes advanced features like auto return, follow me, and waypoint fly, enhancing its usability for aerial photography and exploration. The brushless motor ensures smoother and quieter flights, while the circle fly mode adds dynamic aerial shots. With altitude hold and headless mode, flying is easier for beginners. It offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures. Enjoy seamless control and impressive performance with this versatile quadcopter.